Wow. Oh, this is so amazing. What else? What else?
Well, that is a large piece of television equipment.
Huh?
And that is an old man. Hey, old man.
Hey.
So, why'd you have to turn it down?
Because I don't have the money or the equipment to handle something that big on such short notice. There's just no way.
Wow, what is with all the negativity?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word equipment. It means anything kept, furnished, or provided for a specific purpose. Also means the act of equipping a person or thing. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce equipment, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to quip. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how equipment is used in real life.
Because I don't have the money or the equipment to handle something.
Well, that is a large piece of television equipment.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.